Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by getting basics right. Power the Google Thermostat and confirm your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network. Open the Google Home app and sign in with the Google account you plan to use. Once done, enable Bluetooth and location on your phone so the app can discover nearby devices. Make sure the thermostat display shows setup mode. If it doesn't, navigate its menu to enter network or pairing mode. This immediate setup gets you ready for the device pairing steps next. You now add the thermostat in Google Home. Tap the plus icon, choose Setup Device, then New Device, and pick the home to add it to. Next, select the thermostat brand. The app will ask to scan the QR on the thermostat or manually enter the setup code shown on its screen. After the app finds the device, make sure to select the correct Wi-Fi network and enter your password. Assign a room and name so you can easily control it later. This links the hardware with your account. Finish by testing control from your phone. Change the temperature and mode, then watch the thermostat respond. Once verified, enable Google Assistant voice control and set schedules or energy preferences inside the app. If the thermostat doesn't appear or won't connect, reboot the thermostat and your router. Confirm your phone and thermostat are on the same Wi-Fi band too. 4 GHz often more reliable, and make sure you're signed into the same Google account. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.